I'm getting ready to replace my grass here, some of my grass here in Houston, Texas. As you can see, it's infected. I tried to been watering it for like maybe 3 weeks now, and little spots grow here and there. But I decided to go ahead and replace it. I can't let the neighbors outdo me. So what you want to do is wet the ground. Make sure your ground is wet, and you want to get your shovel or whatever you want to use. And I go in about an inch deep, or maybe 3 inches deep, so that the soil will sit flat. Because you don't want to have high and low spots in your grass. And it's really hot here in Houston, so I'm gonna take a few breaks while I'm doing this. And I was gonna just do little spots here and there, but I decided to do it the right way. Then what you want to do before you lay any of your grass aside, what you want to do is wet the area that you're gonna lay it on. I already laid some of it right there, and I'm gonna take my water hose and I'm gonna wet this spot here. And then I'm gonna lay the grass on top of it. And when I lay all the grass over it, I want to go and step on it, walk on it, make sure there's no air gaps in between. Like I said, I had to take a couple of breaks. I'm going to take another one right now.
Ooh, it's hot today. Back at it.
Okay, it's been a couple hours. I just finished putting down the soil. I'm tired right now. Really hot here in Houston. But I'm gonna show you right here. These are the patches, the green ones, the green spots. Probably in about a week, I'll say 2 weeks, everything will be pretty much normal. So you have to keep water on it. You can see I still got a few brown spots, but I replaced a lot of this grass. As you seen earlier, the video earlier, it was pretty messed up. Like I said, a lawn guy was cutting my lawn and he stopped coming. I had to call him, and then another guy came and he brought some kind of fungus and put on my grass. They don't wash their lawnmowers when they go from one yard to the next, so whatever's in the other yard, it brings it over to yours. So you can see I replaced this soil, and that's all to it. It's really easy to do, but it's a little hard work. I probably lost about 10 pounds now. Let's go get on the scale and see what happens. But first, I'm gonna drink a cold Michelob Ultra, or I may make me one of those sloppy beers. If you can see my previous video on a sloppy beer, if you look in the top right, the drop down, or look at the end screen, you can click on it. It's how to make a sloppy beer. My nephew and my brother was working in Oklahoma as welders on automatic welding, and they found this restaurant that made them a sloppy beer, and they sent it to me, and that's what it is. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Thank you.